A big hello and a very warm welcome to a special episode called the Mirchi Khan Awards, powered by Brand Equity, with me, Sonali Krishna. It's the 11th edition of the prestigious Mirchi Khan Awards, with over 250 entries from 36 participating agencies across 20 categories. This gala night was filled with fun, frolic and laughter, but more importantly, it was a celebration of the top spots in radio, and of course all eyes were on the foremost coveted awards of the night. An evening of creativity, excitement and laughter as the most creative minds of the advertising fraternity came together to celebrate excellence in radio advertising at the 11th Mirchi Khan Awards. So which agency was on top? Which agency bagged the Client of the Year? Let's not beat around the bush and get you straight to the Mirchi Khan Awards 2014. Here's how it all went down.
Mirchi Khan Awards 2014. How are you guys doing? I love the advertising crowd. You guys are always into it.
Okay, this award goes to
Scarecrow Communication.
Scarecrow Communication.
No guesses. Scarecrow.
A very elated Scarecrow Communications team led by Manish and Raghu Bhatt literally swept all the awards this time round with 12 medals. Scarecrow Communications emerged as the Agency of the Year with a total of 6 awards, including 5 golds and 1 bronze. JWT Mumbai bagged 2 golds, 2 silvers and 3 bronzes. Linen, a Lintas Group company, walked away with a total of 11 awards, including 4 silvers and 7 bronzes. Last year's Agency of the Year, Ogilvy and Mehta, bagged 2 silvers and 1 bronze. Scarecrow also won the Crystal Award and Best Radio Creative of the Year Client's Choice for Nitco Tiles radio spot captioned Pinkish. Kapil Tamal, Manish Bhatt, Raghu Bhatt and Sarvesh Raikar walked away with the Radio Writer of the Year award. Nitco was also titled the Client of the Year. Feast your eyes on the sights, sounds, bits and bytes that made this a truly glittering evening.
Now it's time to move on to the big award for tonight, and I please request Ms. Rekha Nigam, Vihan Communications, and Mr. Manohar Nayak of Lingo India to please come up on stage. Okay, so the next award is for Client of the Year award.
obviously. Any guesses? No? No, can't be a client. Nitco.
याद है जब पिंकेश छोटा सा था और अपने पहले सिंगिंग कंपटीशन में जब उसने फर्स्ट प्राइज जीता था, आप कितने खुश हुए थे। उसका मेडल सबको दिखा दिखा के बोली जा रहे थे कि आखिर बेटा किसका है, आखिर बेटा किसका है। तब से जब जब फैमिली पार्टी होती थी, गेट टुगेदर होता था, आप उसे तारा रारा गवाकर शुरू हो जाते थे, आखिर बेटा किसका है, आखिर बेटा किसका है। उसे माता के जगरातों में ले जाते थे, भजन गवाते थे और फिर माइक पे खुद ही आके कहते थे आखिर बेटा किसका है, आखिर बेटा किसका है। हैंडी कैम लेके उसके गाने रिकॉर्ड करके फेसबुक पे अपलोड करते थे, कमेंट भी खुद ही पोस्ट कर देते थे, आखिर बेटा किसका है, आखिर बेटा किसका है। और फिर लिटिल स्टार के ऑडिशन में जब चुन्नू मलिक ने उसकी तारीफ की, आपने कैमरे पे आके नेशनल टीवी पे बोल दिया आखिर बेटा किसका है। अब इतनी बार पूछा है आपने तो सोच रही हूँ बोल ही दूँ, पिंकेश ना आपका नहीं पंडित सरजू महाराज का बेटा है। वो दोपहर को मैं टाइम पास के लिए संगीत सीखती थी ना, तो उन्हीं का है। बहुत गिल्टी गिल्टी हो रहा था ना, इसलिए बता दिया। अब बुरा मत मानना, हाँ प्लीज।
कभी कभी पैरों तले जमीन खिसक जाती है, इसीलिए लगवाइए निटको एंटी स्किड टाइल्स।
Feels very good. We weren't expecting so many awards, and I would like to thank Scarecrow for doing such a fantastic job. And I think they brought the communication, they brought it out very well, and it's very true to what the company stands for.
The next award we have is a really big award. It's a mega award. It's the Crystal Award. And to present that, may I please request Mr. Sanjay Tripathi, Senior Executive Vice President, Head Marketing, Product Digital and E-Commerce at HDFC Life. Please come up on stage.
No guesses. Scarecrow.
awards that we go and we do, we actually go into the client and actually present them for proper work. So, which when the client support us and then it also wins award, it's a huge, huge encouragement for the young team that we have in Scarecrow. And that's the biggest achievement for us.
May I please request Mr. A.P. Parigi and Mr. Tapas Sen, Chief Programming Officer at Radio Mirchi, to please come up on stage. All right, big award, final award of the night, the Agency of the Year. Before we reveal, any guesses? Have you guys accepted that? Really? Scarecrow, is it? Okay, let's find out. And the award goes to... Sir, little drama. Sorry, Kulrani, we have to postpone it till next year. Sorry, guys. Not Scarecrow. Who is then? Oh.
Scarecrow Communications Limited.
Guys, everyone, jump up on stage. All you guys jump up on stage.
साहब, ये मोर का मतलब क्या होता है?
मोर मतलब ज्यादा।
अच्छा, और साहब ये गिव का मतलब?
देना।
ओ, और मी का मतलब साहब?
मुझे।
अच्छा, और ये हनी का मतलब क्या होता है साहब?
शहद को हनी कहते हैं। ओके।
ओ,
क्या हुआ हैं? क्यों पूछ रहे हो ये सब?
नहीं साहब, नहीं, वो कुछ नहीं। वो आप जिस दिन कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए दिल्ली गए थे ना,
हाँ।
तो मैडम अपने ड्राइवर रामचरण को बुलाकर शहद मांग रही थी।
शहद?
वो ससुरा रामचरण शायद मना कर दिया होगा, इसलिए कमरा बंद करके अंग्रेजी में डांट रही थी, जोर जोर से।
क्या?
चिल्ला के कह रही थी, गिव मी मोर हनी, गिव मी मोर हनी।
व्हाट?
हमको समझ नहीं आया साहब, ड्राइवर से काहे शहद मांगा, हमसे मांग लिया होता।
कभी कभी पैरों तले जमीन खिसक जाती है, इसीलिए लगवाइए निटको एंटी स्किड टाइल्स।
It was a good Thursday for us. I think the team is really fantastically excited. We actually not expecting. There are biggies, there are giants, there are JWT, there are Ogilvy. So it was, I think, first time. We are extremely happy, and I think these are first large accolade. I think it was, and it is from the Times of India group. That's really happy about it.
On that note, it's time to slip into a quick break. But coming up on the other side is a look at the rest of the awards and also some rib-tickling entertainment. Don't go anywhere.